how to make a beautiful hair animation video on Kinemaster. So watch the video carefully till the end and please subscribe to channel, like and share this video.